This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Tom Elliott. Welcome home to this spacious end-unit townhome in sought-after Castleton. Huge great room with gas fireplace, built-in bar and shelving. Kitchen with breakfast bar and updated appliances overlooking dining area. Sliding glass doors lead to private enclosed courtyard/patio with pavers. Perfect for outdoor entertaining. Double primary suites upstairs, one with vaulted ceiling, 2 walk-in closets, garden tub and ample seating area. Both bedrooms have private baths. Upstairs laundry area. Features include solid bamboo flooring throughout first floor, remodeled kitchen with custom solid maple cabinets and quartz countertops. 1-car garage, double-car driveway and several additional parking spots for guests. Condo fees include ground maintenance, pool, water, trash, and sewer. This impeccable end-unit townhome with a large side yard looks out at the community pool and guest parking spots. November 8, 2024. For more information, review the details below.